Hi everyone, this is Nehashish, and in today's vlog we'll talk about two departments of banking industry, the asset and the liability department. Many a times we are often confused if you're a sales professional that which department to join. Is it the asset or the liability, which is a better department? So before me giving my views, I think we should understand what is the liability department consists of and what are the works that you need to do there, and same in asset department also know what work you have to do. So basically when you visit a branch, you see staffs or employees who are employed in the branch for a bank. Right, starting from the branch manager, the deputy branch manager, relationship managers, so they are all working in the liability department of a bank. So day-to-day life of a liability department manager or an officer is something like that. Like, you have to handle multiple products. For example, starting from CASA to loans, you have to source everything. You will have multiple targets and multiple products to achieve those targets. So basically there are all those products which a bank wants its customers to have. You will have a target for that to sell them. So this is what a branch consists of. So right from acquiring a customer, by giving them an account, to cross sell each and every product, that will be your basic job profile. Now talking about the asset department of the bank, if you are working there, if you wish to work in asset department, you will majorly handle one single product, which may be any loan departments. Maybe you can work in home loan, loan against property, business loan, unsecured personal loan. So these are the major products where you can be employed if you are wishing to work in the asset department. So basically you will have one single product to handle, and related discussions with stakeholders you have to do. You will not be directly handling customers, walk-in customers, but only those customers who have requirement for loans. You will be processing them. You will not sit in the branch. Basically you will be into the corporate centers, and you have to process loans, talk with various departments, and get the file disbursed. That's what you will do if you are in the asset department. Now the final take. So where should we work? What is my recommendation? So it's been 6 years that I have been into this industry of banking sector, and I have worked in both the profiles, in asset, in liability, in both. So it's my personal opinion. Your opinion can be different. I feel that asset department, if you're working, your day-to-day life is a bit easier, rather than working in liability department, because in branch you have to handle the customers, their queries, their grievances, at the same time sell them the products. You will have multiple targets. One advantage is the targets which the organization or the management gives, you have multiple products to achieve them. But at the same time there will be a lot of business heads or managers who will regularly follow up with you for different kind of products. For example, the mutual funds, the life insurance, personal loans, everything. So if you're in a branch, loans and liability products, you will have target for everything. So which I feel that for me as a person, so much of products, so much of targets is not an easy thing. So yeah, if you're working in asset, I think you will have detailed knowledge about a product. You can pave your path one single direction and go ahead. So I think asset for me is a better option. But yes, I think the said everything. In today's banking world, I think it's a bit difficult, because with the increasing targets and work culture, I think it's tough. But yeah, I think if you're working in a asset department, I think it's a bit easy. So that's my views. So if you are aspiring to join bank, then do decide to check your CV at which department they are actually putting you in, and then you go ahead. Basically, most of the times then the vacancies in liability department is more than the asset department. So it's up to you, your wish. I've given a glimpse of both the departments. Now it's up to you. Whichever you want to choose, go ahead, be a banker. Life is okay.